So guys, this is how to create account on NC Wallet. So when you click the link, I will leave in the video description or in the video comment section, and to the place, then you click the app and click on this account. Okay. You can sign in with your Apple or sign in with Google. So sign in with Google. All the Google account in your phone will come up. Then choose the one you want to use to create the account and click on it. Okay. So after that, we are going to see something like all set. Your account was created. Now you can do the world. Start using and see what. Click on start. You see authorization. Then create a pin that you need. Pin again. So connecting. Authorize progress. Boom. Your wallet has been set. Okay. Now I wish you happy cash out.